What time is the right time to buy or sell a home? The number one response we're hearing today from buyers and sellers is, well, we think we just want to wait and see if things change. And some people have been in that position for 3 or 4 months, and I kid you not, some people have been in that position for 3 or 4 years. Hi, my name is Phil Martin, and I am the team leader of the Martin Home Team, and this is the February 2023 Market Update. So let's start out by looking at some highlights of kind of what's been going on nationally. As you can see, interest rates obviously have been coming down, and they are now in a zone that's stimulating good buyer demand. And the experts contend that they will most likely remain in the 6% range for 3 to 6 months. And then maybe they may dip down into the fives. But look at VA loans right now are a definite standout because right now you can get VA loans in the fives. But here's a caution. Things seem to be changing at a quicker pace than usual. So even though the experts think rates may improve in the second half of the year, we're cautious here at the Martin Home Team about projections that go beyond 4 or 5 months. Let's talk about housing prices. When the market shifted last summer in July, the buyers definitely stepped back because of interest rates, and the demand evaporated. And you can see the sellers had to drop their prices quite a bit just to get them sold. But there are indicators now in our local market that the slide in prices just may be over. And so let's kind of shift our focus now and look at some of the local trends here in Collin County. Here you can see the solid line is the 90-day moving average of prices of homes on the market. Now the dashed line is the 7-day running trend of new homes that have come on the market. So the dashed line is a trend indicator. Where the dashed line goes is where the solid line follows. So you can see, just like it happened in the first part of last year, the trend said prices were going to go up, and they did until about April, May. Then they leveled off, and in July 15th, these lines crossed, and the trend indicator said, yep, we're going to be lowering our prices, and that's exactly what happened. But look at what's happening here. These lines are starting to come in together, and now, here, January 20th, the lines crossed again, and it looks like sellers are holding strong, even pushing prices up a little as we go into the peak selling season of 2023. So here's a few additional statistics that support that story. As you can see, we have prices definitely in 2023, January into February, have gone up. The median sales price in Collin County. And look here, ever since November, we've been having a reduction in the number of homes for sale. Well, especially here, a significant reduction in January in homes for sale. If we had an increase in buyers because interest rates have gone down now and they're in the sixes, but now there's less homes to buy, that's going to mean a little more competition, and prices are going to be a little firmer now. They won't be dropping like they were, is our projection. If you look here, the green line is the number of overall listings that have been bought compared to, of those listings, which ones were new. So the black line is new listings that had come on. And so right now the buyers are buying more than what's coming on board. And so what we're going to see is the days on market, the time it takes to sell a home, is going to be dropping as well. And the prices are going to firm up, and sellers are going to start holding their line. And so competition will be back. Not like last year, but it will be back. And here, again, the green line is the trend, and the black line is the indicator, the 7-day indicator. And you can see days on market, we're getting longer and longer. It took longer to sell your house when we had less buyers. But all of a sudden, up here in December and into January, the buyers came back. Days on market, the indicator has now switched positions, and we will see a lowering of days on market as we go into our high season on selling homes. Trends are suggesting that that's becoming more of a level playing field with the trend of sellers holding the line, as I was saying. So what do you do? Is it the right time for you to buy or sell? Well, there are numerous factors and moving parts. It's all about your personal situation and having clarity on what the current market really may mean to you. So don't just rely on friends and internet and the TV news stories. Reach out to the Martin Home team when you feel the need for clarity regarding local market trends and what your true seller or buyer possibilities are. Strategy conversations are absolutely free here. And I promise you, after having that conversation with us, you will be more confident in the direction that you choose to go, whatever that may be. This is Phil Martin for the Martin Home team. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to talk to you soon.